Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a purple drip cake. I'm starting off with 3 layers of my vanilla cake, and these are 8-inch cake sizes that I'm using. And here I'm just filling my cake with whipped cream. I have a buttercream border so that my whipped cream stays inside my cake. And I'm just repeating the process for the second layer. And if you're wondering, yes, my cakes are a little bit lopsided, but then nothing that frosting can't fix. This will be a naked cake, and so I'm just leaving it as a crumb coat. I'm smoothing out my cake, and then I'm going to place this into the freezer for it to chill. That way it's nice and cold when I start my drip. So here I used Wilton chocolate melts. I used a combination of purple, blue, and white to get this color. I also made sure that my ganache was nice and cold before I started with the drip. I'm using the Wilton 6B tip. And also finishing it off with some macarons. And then for their smaller tip, this is a number 32. And here is what my cake looks like, you guys. Hopefully you guys liked my video on how I did this tutorial. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.